everyone, Merry Christmas Eve and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24! So today, as you can tell, is the 24th of December, which means it is Christmas Eve. What the hell? This has come around so quickly this year, I think. I don't know. Today, I'm wearing this really cute jumper, which is from To Be Worn Again, another vintage shop. I always get a Christmas jumper from here every year, and I got this one this year, grey one, little 3 snowmen doing their Christmas tree, and it goes really well with my Topshop blue jeans. But today is just an errands day. I think I'm going to try and drive my car today as well. But we're just prepping for Christmas. I think my mum is a tiny bit stressed, but we'll do the day and see how it all goes. It's time to open the last advent door. They're all open except for this massive one, which is so exciting. So I'm going to open it now. Ooh, look at that! Oh my god, that smells insane. It's Christmas Eve because, of course, hang on, let me focus. It is Christmas Eve. Oh my god. It just smells like Christmas, but with a really spice, like it smells really spicy. So I've just made myself some scrambled egg. And I'm just here with Felix. You want my food, don't you, Fifi? Hey, you want my food? Oh. I'm currently trying to jumpstart my car. Oh my god. It's your last one today, Fee? Can you find it? Look, can you find it? It's there. Felix. You see it? Good boy. It's your last one. Why do I always talk like that to, like, pets? Felix. Oh, good boy. Say goodbye to your advent calendar and get you this one next year. Right. Right. So I'm about to go out and drive my car for the first time. I am quite nervous, but it's exciting at the same time. Just put my shoes on, which go really well with this jumper, which is so weird. So I am in the driving seat now. I just did a bit with my dad around his industrial estate because he's got his shops here. Man, with my dad it's like so like different because he's like, just do a turn around the corner. I'm like, what turn around the corner? You need to give me more like information. It's like, here, left, turn. I'm like, oh my god. But I quite like this car. The only thing I don't like about it is like how like it's really hard to get into reverse. But I guess we're only gonna learn. But yeah, we might not be able to see, but I've got, oh there it is, I've got my L plates on. Yes. So, I am back now. I'm pretty proud of myself. I drove, if you know Brighton, I drove all the way from the racecourse all the way back to Rottingdean, like doing quite hard junctions, stalled a few times, and I stalled doing a hill start on my hill, because if you've ever been to my house, it's like that, and you have to be able to turn into my drive on a hill, and it's horrible. But once I have to like breathe and start again and do it slowly, and then I was fine. But yeah, I'm really like happy that I've been out in it now, and that was the first time I've done it without my teacher having controls. Like, she always has the dual controls, so I'm pretty proud of that. And I was only going to go round a few industrial straights, so I went round a few industrial straights in Brighton and Hove, and then Dad was like, do you want to drive back? And I was like, yeah, we'll probably switch halfway through, and I ended up driving all the way back. So I'm pretty happy with that. But I've got an hour until we're going to a friend's house for some Christmas Eve drinks, and then we're going down to church, because I go to church, and we're watching the carol service down at the church. Yeah. And then we'll probably go to the pubs, and then we'll come back here and have sausage and mash. Doing it right this Christmas Eve. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Right, we're leaving now to head to our friend's house. Right, please get my coat on. I swear, at the moment, always first for everything. Jasmine, do you want to be in my vlog? I know how much you love being in it. Jasmine.
Trying to keep up with everybody. Doing my fast walking that you love, Olivia.
What?
Why would I do my that walking?
What?
You always go, what are you doing? You look like such an idiot.
Go on then, do it.
No.
Yeah, it's like, you're not going to do it on this. Why don't you just do it to like my nearly 300 subscribers? No? Oh.
I'll
Stop it, Anne.
Hiya. Yeah, I don't know what, oh yeah, they were fine.
We're going down there. I've had my time limit, 1 hour, and then we're going.
Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses.
Look how cute this house is. Oh my god, it's so cute. Right. We are currently walking home, back from the pub. Oh, are you waiting for me? I know, it's a really nice house. Yeah, it's really sweet. We are home now. Jazz, you haven't had your advent calendar today? No, she hasn't. She hasn't? Oh my god, you haven't had it for like 5 days. No, 3 days. We went to the service, and then we went to the pub. It was really nice. Caught up with people. Rat burger started. Yeah, it started at 6:30. Anyway.
Right, so what menu do you want me to get them?
Are we actually getting takeaway?
It's up to you! Up to you. You're going to make a decision now.
What's on TV? No, Mum, we can't watch this. Do you want me to peel some potatoes?
Yeah.
Last Christmas, gave you my all. You don't look very happy with it, do you? There we go. Sophie, I love you. You're so cute. What about this one? Play with this. Little reindeer. Oh. So we went with takeaway. Yummy. Duck. This is my favourite. That's my one.
How much did it cost?
A lot of money actually.
That's my one. What's this one? Is this the prawns? Prawns?
A minute is not long enough.
No, this is
And we're watching Rat Burger by David Williams. Yum, 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 yum. Doing Christmas Eve the right way. So it's
Santa
Christmas
present.
Eve, so we've got a
early Santa present.
early Santa present. Can we open it together, Jasmine?
I just found it in the hardware.
What is it?
Game.
Giant writing penny. Oh, it's a game. A hilarious, funny, wobbling drawing game. Giant writing pen included. Open it.
I might use that to watch this. I've got this back
Umbrella.
Yeah. Oh God, can't see. Okay.
Butterfly. Flower.
What the hell is that? Fan.
Yeah, there's someone sitting in that bit. And it's going to land. It's really quick.
Helicopter.
Yeah, that's the one.
What the hell? That's not got any. Why are you putting them on the side? They're mine.
Clock.
Football. Felix, are you drinking Father Christmas's milk?
It's the chive, look.
Chive.
So I am in my room now. I just had a shower, washed my hair, ready for tomorrow, Christmas Day, and yeah, that's all I really need to say. I put myself on my teeth. Yeah, I haven't brushed my teeth yet. Is it still there? Kind of. Anyway, we went to the carousel. Well, we went to our friend's house first, had some champagne and stuff. I just really put my phone down and just caught up with people, and then went down to carol service. Obviously I had a few clips of that, and then we went down to the pub, and I literally put my phone, I literally didn't even go on my phone. I think I filmed one clip and took one photo, and then just talked and caught up with all like my friends and adults and people celebrated Christmas in a way. Like, I just put my phone down, so I don't really vlog. Anyway, we then came home, had takeaway as you saw, and sat down and watched The Great Gatsby. Yeah, it was really nice. And we opened up a present. But the stuff for Father Christmas is downstairs. It's ready for him to eat. But I don't really know what to say. It feels really weird. Vlogmas is coming to an end. Like, tomorrow's vlog might not actually show how much Christmas means to me. Christmas isn't about the gift giving. It's about spending time with family. And it really brings me down to earth. Sometimes I live up in this like fairy tale world, and I forget to open my eyes and be like, wow, all my family's in one room right now. And you never know when it's going to be someone's last. You never know what the conditions are going to be like next year. It's the only time you really get to actually spend, when you actually spend the whole time as a family celebrating the same thing, and also celebrating something truly amazing that happened, like Jesus was born. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking from a Christian point of view and just let you enjoy Christmas. So if you enjoyed Vlogmas this year, please smash a thumbs up, subscribe. I really hope we can get to it by tomorrow night, and I will see you tomorrow for Christmas Day. I hope Father Christmas comes for you, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye!